Hey guys, Crystal Thompson here for Unity. We are doing Christmas in July for this month's color combo. We're using Conspiracy of Love, using the tree from this kit, then using the Baby Boy Plaid, and 2 inks. Begin with Crimson from Altenew. We are going to ink up the Baby Boy Plaid stamp that I have pre-positioned on our stamp positioner tool, the Misty. We are going to place this, we're going to stamp this over our card base that I had pre-cut and scored and folded and placed in the Misty. I'm going to just squeeze. I missed a spot, so I'm going to go back and stamp again where I missed a spot, and this is why it's so amazing to have the Misty. Next, I'm going to be using moss. I'm going to pull that card base, I'm going to lift it up and to the left just a tad and ink up the Baby Boy Plaid with that moss ink pad. It makes a really fun effect using these 2 colors onto the plaid for my plaid background. Next, I'm going to be using Stampin' Up's Early Espresso on the tree from Conspiracy of Love onto some craft cardstock. Got a perfect image, so I'm going to move on and use the sentiment from the same set. I'm going to stamp that, and we are ready to roll. Okay, before I place this piece of craft cardstock, I'm going to add a bit of this gorgeous gold ribbon to continue on with our red, green, gold, and white color combinations for the month. Gonna tie a sweet little bow. I'm not great at tying gorgeous bows, so we're just gonna do what we can here. We're gonna add adhesive onto the back of that craft, place it over our Baby Boy Plaid. Now, using Nouveau drops, I'm gonna add a couple of drops of that green, and then we're gonna add a couple of drops of the red. And that does it for our Christmas color combo. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Please give the video a thumbs up and a sweet comment below if you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for your support and your love. Have an awesome day.